Investors spend time looking for promising stock opportunities as a way to help build their wealth. But as with any opportunity, your outcome will absolutely be influenced by your cost to engage with that opportunity. Think about what level of return on investment that you'd expect an opportunity to present you with. And think about how important it is to control the size of your position relative to your total portfolio. Well, today I'm going to show you how our Options Ideas tool will take a stock opportunity and automatically calculate which specific call options can be used to take a position at a lower cost. You'll see how much easier it is to introduce options into your portfolio with a tool like this that will run through the scenarios for you. Let's get started.
Here we are looking at the Options Ideas tool. This tool showcases up to 10 stocks that have recently formed a chart pattern, each displayed in the ribbon across the top for you to choose from. Chart patterns identify shifts in trends, and along with that, they provide a rough guide for how far the price might move in the future and in what time frame. Here is the chart pattern for this particular chart, and here is the target price that we pre-calculate for you based on textbook theory. And it's plotted roughly at the X here, which coincide with the expiration date for this options idea. Now, certainly you might use this tool for stock investment ideas and then go on to research those stocks further. You could buy a number of shares at the stated price. In this case, we indicate buy 100 shares of this particular ticker at the stated price. But notice that in this case, we also point out that you could sell a specific call option. By selling this call option, you will receive premiums that effectively reduce the cost basis of your position in that stock. Lower cost means you increase your probability of success. This is called a buy right strategy because you're buying the stock and writing a call option at the same time. Now, this does create an additional transaction for you, so be sure that the amount received from selling that call option makes it worthwhile. We look at considerations like that when generating a score for the options ideas. The score will pinpoint factors that we watch for when selecting options ideas. In this case, we're looking for a call option that earns premiums that are at least 4% of the stock price. Now, of course, there's a trade-off with the buy right, and you can read about those trade-offs over here. If the stock rises above the strike price, then you're obligated to sell your shares, and so the call option effectively puts a cap on your profits. Now, be sure your profit isn't capped too much. In this case, the score indicates that we're looking for at least 10% potential profit from this type of strategy to get this score. Now, let me remind you that an options idea is evaluated and selected based on the scenario that the price reaches its target at expiration. You can click the calculator icon to see all the calculations laid out for you, complete with formulas and explanations. With options ideas, now you can see how easy it is to learn about bringing options into your portfolio. You have real-world, real-time ideas like this that do the calculations and scoring for you. So go ahead and get started looking for options ideas that help you lower your cost basis and increase your probability of success. Of course, bear in mind the factors to watch out for and the trade-offs involved. We have a warehouse of insightful investing analytics that can help you have greater control over your investment costs and enjoy running your own portfolios.